Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to share the method of how to be a good disciple. Some people are new in Buddhist cultivation method. Some people already a senior cultivator. Doesn't matter you are a elementary level or intermediate level or in a senior level. We all need to open up our mind and try to be humble. Why I say this statement? According to one of the Buddhist sutra texts, Huayan Sutra, in this Buddhist sutra, one of the very famous Bodhisattva, he was seeking for final enlightenment. So he asked his master. He was asking how can he reach final awakened stage. Then Buddha was sending him to different Bodhisattva. And the Bodhisattva was sending him to outreach to 53 different cultivators to learn all the essence of the cultivation from these 53 masters. So that's why I say in our cultivation path, we need to be very humble because you can see the Buddhas, no matter is Amitabha Buddha, Medicine Buddha, Achubya Buddha, any 10 directional Buddha, their heart essence teaching is very simple. Emptiness. Bodhicitta. Pramita emptiness means there is no origin from, there is no outcome to. They set their mindset always in pramita emptiness. That's why we need to be humble, because we don't know whoever appear in front of us. We are not their cultivation was more advanced than us. It could be Guanyin Bodhisattva's manifestation come to challenge and test our level of cultivation. So that is the one hard essence of teaching from all 10 directional Buddha, pramita emptiness. As no boundary, there is no higher and lower. It's always according to law of karma. The outcome occur the same time you already plant the seed. That's why it's so important we need to be mindful about our every second, microsecond of the mind activity. Another heart essence of Buddha and the Bodhisattva is bodhicitta. From my past years of video sharing, bodhicitta is benefit others. Benefit others without discrimination and wishing ourselves achieve final enlightenment. At the same time, we help accompany all the 6 realms of sentient beings achieve the final awaken. Because all the beings, including ourselves, everyone wants to be happy. No one wants suffering. Because of this concept of helping all the beings free of the suffering, helping them accomplish the final happiness, this mindset generally benefits others. Based on benefit others, this theory, we are arousing the bodhicitta. This bodhicitta and the emptiness is like 2 legs on a cultivator's body. Without this bodhicitta and without this pramita emptiness wisdom, we cannot walk forward and reach to the final enlightenment. Some people, they are seeking for the shortcut. They thought, I just sit down, cross my legs, close my eyes, then can self-realize or self-awaken one day. the truth is not. It's based on a lot of fundamental essence of cultivation experience. You need to rid off all the bad karma and accumulate all the good merits. These also are like our two hands. We need to give up the bad habit, bad karma, bad speech, bad action, harmful mindset to others. One hand, we need to give up, let go. We call this is stop doing something bad. We say repentance, the bad karma. We have another hand, what the other hand we need to hold on, we need to catch, is good merits. So we transform our mind from harmful to others to benefit others. So this benefit to others have our body actions, have our speech activities, have our mind activity. So one hand is give up all the bad habits. The other hand, we grab all the good activities. So this is called repentance, purify all the bad karma, and accumulate all the good merits. With these two hands, we are able to walk forward to our path of cultivation. So, as I already explained, our mind need to have bodhicitta, benefit others. Our wisdom need to have paramita wisdom, emptiness, like all Buddhas and Bodhisattva. Our action need to give up the bad pattern of action. We need to grab, exercise all the good, beneficial others and ourselves activity. So, accumulate merits. With these two legs, with these two hands, we are able to continue walk on this path of cultivation from this life to next life, to next life, to infinite future turn of cultivation until final enlightenment. It's simple like that. Of course, my theory just explained is more in Mahayana-based Buddhist philosophy. All the final enlightenment require a lot of efforts, a lot of transformation of our true mind. But in Vajrayana Buddhism, they focus on the moment you do the practice. For instance, if you do the Guanyin Bodhisattva on the time you sit in a quiet place, you visualize the Guanyin, you transform your mind into the same like a Guanyin Bodhisattva. You chant a mantra, you recite the sutra, you visualize yourself is Guanyin Bodhisattva. On that 2 minutes of practice, you are the real deity of Guanyin Bodhisattva. So, this is two different approaches to reach to the final enlightenment, final awaken. Are they self-conflict? No, because you can apply these two different practices together at real time or in different time. Therefore, the cultivation requires two fundamental concepts, bodhicitta and emptiness. And the action have two. Rid of bad, we have to grab and accumulate good. You can just, in this very simple knowledge, to do your lifelong cultivation. As you already know, English is not my mother tongue. So I try very hard and try all my best to deliver and explain the best knowledge I know about Buddhist cultivation. If you really want to understand the Buddha's teaching or Bodhisattva's true teaching, I encourage you go to the online Buddhist dictionary because a lot of Buddhist sutra, they already been translated into English. So you can try to read by yourself, recite by yourself, And you also can seek your local monastic member, some Buddhist monk or nun, or whoever you know have a better knowledge than you about the Buddhist philosophy. Then you can deepen your knowledge step by step. I'm planning to open online Buddhist classes in the future. It could be by ending of this year in fall. So whoever are interested to join my Buddhist online teaching classes, please visit our official website. I will try to post some information there so you can also seek for some in-person teaching section. I wish all of you can deepen your cultivation day by day, week by week. If anything I miss or anything you want to learn more or any question, please email me. I will try all my best knowledge to share with everyone. But for those people who are new in my channel, please go to my channel's playlist. There are a lot of very fundamental Buddhist philosophy or Buddhist cultivation knowledge. You can review those, then you come back to this video. Will help you have more intermediate level of cultivation knowledge. I wish you enjoy my sharing today. I hope next time you will join me again. Thank you.